These water heaters are made in the USA but are only sold through their authorized dealer network. They offer standard top connect models as well as low boy tanks with side connections for the water. They are available in 30, 40, or 50-gallon sizes and feature factory-installed heat traps to minimize the standby heat losses through the water lines. The units use a basic magnesium anode for corrosion control and use self-cleaning technology to reduce sediment buildup, but their guarantee is not as good as some of the other brands.